Meteorological weather lab out here in Morris Heights, Bronx. Yet again, today is February 8th, 2016 at around 11 o'clock a.m. As you can see, the snow is coming down. The good news is that the air temperature is hovering around 32 degrees, 31 degrees Fahrenheit, which is why you don't see the snow sticking on the pavement very quickly, but it is trying to stick on the grass area. However, what I'm going to do, as you can see, my bicycle's here. I'm going to take my bicycle for a little ride. I don't think it's going to be too chaotic. I'm going to head out into, I don't know where I'll be, but I'm going to be riding around. That's it. Meteorological weather lab out here in Manhattan now, Upper Manhattan. I'm on Broadway and Dyckman Street, where the snow is still coming down, I'd say at a moderate rate right about now. Same thing it was in the Bronx. I don't know where I'm heading, but we'll see how far I get. Meteorological weather lab out here in Kings, Brooklyn, New York. As you can see, I've made it. I wasn't expecting to get this far, but yeah, hey, I did it from Bronx to Brooklyn. I'm on Tillery Street. See the Brooklyn Bridge I just took up there. Overall, the snow has ended. As you can see, it is just now gray sky all over. Intermediate or partly cloudy or mostly cloudy conditions. That is the end of this little snow event here. Comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos. Meteorological Weather Lab, Divinity's Beast, signing out. Meteorological Weather Lab here again. We're on Franklin Avenue and Eastern Parkway. See, I got my bike over here that I rode from Brooklyn. That I rode from the Bronx. You think I'm gonna ride this from Brooklyn back to the Bronx? You gotta be crazy. Anyway, the reason why I think this, we actually didn't get any snowfall accumulation from the storm. Nothing. It's pretty much a dud for the big coastal storm that decided to try and give us some snow. It gave us snow, but the temperatures must have been at or above freezing, which is why the snow did not stick. And that pretty much sums it up. Meteorological Weather Lab, Divinity's Beast. Back to the Bronx. Thanks for watching.